Open doll maker. Select model from human. Use decorations if you like on the lower right corner. Then choose a joint. Click Print. In this step, we can separate parts by different colors that we want, and delete them accordingly. Before printing the models, we should change the filaments of different colors. Print. After print, go back and repeat the previous process for the other model parts till all parts printed. The rest printing process is the same. Repeat the same step, we can print a woman and a man. The last step is to remove the base. Click all the joints and assemble them together. In all, we made 4 dolls. Here they are.